In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and receive text messages from your computer. Being able to text from your computer is really handy, especially when you're working, typing a lot, or just don't want to keep picking up your phone. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect your phone and computer so you can send and read messages right from your desktop or laptop. First, make sure your phone is turned on, connected to the internet, and that you're signed in to your usual account on it. You'll also want your computer to be connected to the internet, since everything we're doing relies on a stable connection. Keep your phone nearby for this process, because you'll need to confirm a few things on it as we go. On your computer, open your web browser or the messaging app that works with your phone. If you're using a web version, type in the official messaging website for your phone's manufacturer or service. If you're using a dedicated app, go ahead and open it. You should see an option that mentions linking your phone, pairing your device, or using your phone's messages on your computer. Now, switch over to your phone. Open the companion app that manages the connection between your phone and your computer. This could be a built-in messaging app or a special link to computer app. Look for an option like Link to Computer, Device Pairing, or Messages for Web. When you tap that, your phone will usually open a camera to scan a QR code or show you a pairing code. Back on your computer, you should see that QR code or a pairing prompt on the screen. Hold your phone up and scan the code, or type in the pairing code if that's what you're given. Give it a few seconds to sync. Once the connection is established, your recent text messages should appear on your computer screen. From here, you can start sending and receiving texts. To send a new message, click the option to start a new conversation. Type in a phone number or pick a contact, and then write your message using your keyboard. Press Enter or click Send, and your message will go out through your phone, but you'll control everything from your computer. You can also read incoming texts, reply directly from your computer, and in many cases, see images and group messages just like on your phone. If something isn't syncing, make sure your phone's internet connection is active and that the messaging or linking app is allowed to run in the background. When you're done, you can keep the connection active for next time, or sign out on your computer if you're using a shared device.